Tonight, we traded largely between 129.82 and 129.97 for the trading session tonight. Before the start of the session, market was generally bullish on the 10-minute chart, after prices found a higher low at 129.58 and broke upwards. However, market found a top at 129.97 and started retracing in a down channel. Near the end of London lunchtime, price found a double bottom at around 129.82, which was near the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level of the up move from 129.58. This level would serve to be the bottom of the sideways consolidation for the rest of the trading session. From there, price went back up and found a peak at 129.95, before retracing in a down channel over the next 30 minutes, back to the bottom of the range at 129.82. After finding support there, price went back up in an up channel. Forming three legs up, it encountered strong resistance this time at the previous peak at 129.97. Price then quickly came back down, and found a lower high at 129.95. From there, it started moving back to the bottom of the range in a down channel for the next 30 minutes. As the New York market came in, price rebounded from the bottom of the range in a steep up channel. After consolidating briefly in a flag formation at 129.88, it found a higher low at 129.93, and then broke the top of the range to reach a new peak of 129.99. Price then came back down to the previous higher low of 129.93, where it found support again. From there, price decelerated and started moving in a gentler up channel to continue its attempt to break out of the top side of the range totally. First, we will zoom into this part of the trading night, to see how our FX dealing team traded off the double bottom key reversal pattern.
Potentially double bottom. Let's put two bubble here in gray. Change it to blue because it crosses this line. Just like this. Measuring objective is across 87. Right, most people buy at the break of this. Profit. Wait for higher low, then a crossover, and hopefully at some point can break down this. Zoom in. Okay, forcing a crossover, most people would have this blue, traded this well. Always stay in the direction of the trend. Never be tempted to chase bottom.
Now, let's zoom into this part of the trading night, to see how our FX dealing team traded off the potential third leg formation.
Okay, I will put pie order above here. So this is 1, 2, and if this holds up 3, the next move will be quite sharp. Zoom in and see. The market must break here in order to go up. This was the previous peak. It's building up 1, 2, potentially 3, and within here 1, 2, and trying to hold up here. Doesn't mean it must, but this is what is happening. This is blue, and can you see most of the people will put a buy order there and then take some profit and let it build up to cross the 97 again. Okay, within here you can identify 1, 2, third leg. Critical level. Consolidate above 94. To go up is the best. This is still intact.
Now, let's zoom into this part of the trading night to see how our FX dealing team traded off the potential flag continuation pattern.
You should hold above 87. You should form a continuation pattern and then try 93 again. That will be the best move. Okay. Then you have an acceleration. '87 is a key.
This is the end of our chief journal. Hope that you have learned trading the price action with small and consistent profit.